syempre, unahin natin yung nasa loob ng quantity, okay, or ng Good day everyone. So in this video, we are going to find the mode for the group data. Okay, so in finding the mode for group data, we're going to use the formula. Mode is equal to the LB mode or the lower boundary mode plus quantity d sub 1 all over d sub 1 plus d sub 2 times the class interval. Okay, so whereas the LB mode or the lower boundary mode is the lower boundary of the model class, then the d sub 1 is the difference between the frequency of the model class and the frequency of class immediately lower than the model class. D sub 2 is the difference between the frequency of the model class and the frequency of the class immediately higher than the model class. And of course, the I is the interval size or the class interval. So by the way, the model class is the class with the highest frequency. Okay, so since alam natin yung formula ng mode for group data, so again, ang technique lang naman dyan kung ano yung nasa formula, so yun yung lahat ng kukunin natin. Okay, so dito sa example na ito, we have the classes 20, 24, 25, 29, and so on, and we have also the frequencies. Okay, so 5, 9, 14, 16, 11, 19, 8, 3, and 5. Okay, so first, we are going to hanapin natin yung model class. So, sabi daw, ang model class is the highest frequency. So, kung makita natin dito sa ating example, ang highest frequency natin ay 19. Therefore, ang model class natin is 45 to 49. Okay, so para mas siya, ma-identify natin, i-underline natin yan. Okay, so since nakuha natin or na-identify natin yung model class, which is 45 to 49. So, ang gagawin naman natin, kukunin natin yung lahat ng mga, or hanapin natin yung nandun sa formula. So, ang una, yung lower boundary of the mode. So, alam naman natin ang pagkuha ng lower boundary is equal to the 45. Yung 44, okay, itong 44 plus 45, then divided by 2. Or, hindi kaya naman, just simply, mag-subtract lang tayo or mag-minus lang tayo ng 0.5 dito sa 45. So, maging 44.5 ang LB natin or ang lower boundary of the mode. Okay, so since nakuha natin ito, yung lower boundary of the mode, which is 44.5, so next, kunin natin yung d sub 1. So, sabi daw, diba, ang d sub 1 natin is the difference between the frequency of the model class, okay, frequency of the model class, which is 19, and the frequency of the class immediately lower than the model class. So, ano yung lower than yung frequency na lower than the model class? Syempre, doon sa 11. Okay? Itong 11. Okay, kasi ito yung lower class, diba? So, 11 ang d sub 1 natin. Okay, yung 11. Okay, so d sub 1 is equal to 19 minus, kasi difference man, minus 11. Okay? So, 19 minus 11 would be, okay, so equal to 8. Sunod, d sub 2. So, sa d sub 2 naman, so alam na natin ang pagkuha d sub 2 is the difference, okay, again, minus difference between the frequency of the model class and the frequency of the class higher than the model class. So, higher than the model class, ito yung higher class natin. So, ito yung frequency niya. Ibig sabihin, dito naman sa 19, or dito naman sa 8. Okay, so 19, this is 8. Sunod, Subtract lang natin, kagaya nung d sub 1 sa d sub 2. So, maging 19 minus 8. Okay, so 19 minus 8 is equal to, okay, so 11. Sunod, nakuha na natin ng d sub 1, d sub 2. Next is the class interval or the interval size. Okay, so sa interval size, so alam naman natin ang interval niya ay 5. Okay, so 20 plus 5, 25, 30, 35. Dito naman sa upper limit, mag-minus lang. 20 plus 5 is 25 minus 1, 24. Okay, so I think nakuha na natin lahat yung nasa formula. So, ang gagawin na lang natin is just simply substitute those values or these values. Okay? So, we have, okay, so yan na siya, na-substitute na natin yung mga values. We have 44, yung lower boundary, 44.5. Okay, then d sub 1, we have 8 all over. D sub 1 again, 8 plus, yung d sub 2 natin, we have 11. And then, times the class interval, which is the 5. Okay, so, simplify na lang natin. So, syempre, unahin natin yung nasa loob ng quantity, okay, or ng parentheses. So, bring down lang natin, 44.5 plus, so 8. So 8 plus 11 is equal to 19. Okay? Then times 5. Okay, so yan na siya. Sunod, ito naman yung 5. Okay, so 5 times 8. Okay, so 5 times 8 is equal to 40 over 19. So bring down lang natin 44.5 plus 40 all over 19. Okay, so sunod. So 44.5 plus 40 over 19 or 40 divided by 19. So para hindi kayo mahirapan, dapat always silang katabi ang calculator. Okay, so 44.5 plus so 40 divided by 19 is equal to so 2.10 and so on. So pwede naman siyang i-round off. So 2.1. Okay, so 44.5 plus 2.1. Okay, so yan, sunod i-add lang natin 44.5 plus 2.1. So that would be equal to 46.1. Okay? Okay, so 46.6. So pwede naman din natin itong i-round off. So maging 47. So 46.6 na. So maging 47 siya. Therefore, yung mode natin doon sa given distribution ay 47. Okay, so 47 yung mode natin. So ganun lang kung paano magkuha ng mode. Okay, so ganun lang paano magkuha ng mode for the group data. Okay, so I hope naintindihan.